Alright guys, today we will be looking at how to replace a dead battery in your key. If you're unable to open your car door and it's not chirping, then perhaps a new battery is needed. This is a 2006 Rav4, and I know that other similar models of Toyota will also work the same. And so the technique's actually pretty easy. First, you need to go and purchase a battery from Walmart, Target, or Radio Shack. They will have these battery. It is called a CR2016 3-volt Energizer, or any brand that you choose, but usually these will work. You can also find these battery on Amazon as well. And there's only two simple tools that you actually need: a flat Phillips screwdriver and a coin. Ideally, a penny or a dime works really well. All right, so here, let's get to it. It's very simple. You're going to go ahead and tilt the key a little bit, which exposes a little bit of gap that you can go ahead and insert your Phillips flathead in and pop open. So it goes in here. I'm going to go ahead and pop this open and just kind of give it a little turn. It will pop open very nicely. Alright, so once it pops open, remove the bottom cap out of the way. And we're going to go ahead and just gently turn this around. Now this piece is going to pop out, so I'm going to once again use my Phillips head, and I'm just going to lift this a little bit, and it pops out. So I'm going to put my key down there, and I'm going to go ahead and turn this around, and these are where the buttons are. So what I'm going to do is now I have to pop this unit open, and inside this unit is where the battery is. So I'm going to turn this gently around like this. And now here's where the coin comes in, guys. I'm going to take this coin and I'm going to insert it into this gap, because that's how this little unit will be pop open. So I'm going to insert the coin in the gap, and I'm just going to turn it slowly. And you might have to use a little bit of force, but if you do it enough, just a little bit of force, it will pop open. And it pops open really nicely. So now it pops open. And so lay that on the side. This unit, you can go ahead and take it out. I'm going to go ahead and try to get this in here so it doesn't, there won't be any short circuit. So it lies in there, and there's the battery. So go ahead, in order to replace this battery, we're going to go ahead and pop the battery out once again with our Phillips head. I'm going to try to insert it, and it should be pretty simple. Go ahead and insert it into any gap. I do it over here, and I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze toward the center. So I squeeze toward the center, and it will come out. And if it doesn't come out, give it a wiggle, and it will come out. Alright. Insert your new battery in. Alright, so this was a new battery. I took it out just so that I can show you. But go ahead and insert the new battery. Once you pop it out, reverse the process, insert the new battery, and then just gently push it in, and it will go in. And it might take a little bit of manipulating in order to get in, but what I do is I put it in here, and then I push it in, and it will pop in, and then everything is just a backward step. So now pop that in, and it will just pop in really nicely and quickly. Now this side will go into the key and make sure the button lines up nicely, and if you're able to insert it in properly, all the buttons will line up just like that. And then this cap will now go on top, and everything kind of pops in nicely. Alright, and there you go. You just replace it. You just replace the battery in your key. And I don't know if you heard, but it's chirping in my front yard, because my car is parked in the front yard. Alright, I'll see you guys.